Hi, my name is Tony Leon. I am a 17-year-old barber in Albuquerque, New Mexico, and I took the best barber in your city social media class from 𝐤𝐤𝐤. So I started in November working at a barber shop. I actually graduated barber school in November and I got my license and all of that. And I've only been working at a barber shop for November, December, January, February, these 4 months. And I went in from doing 2-3 cuts a day after I took the social media class and saw how I could put in more services. I went from making $60 a day to making $100+ every day. I only have 4 months in a barber shop, and kind of the course went over everything. You know, I learned how to fade better. I learned how to make my fades more consistent. I learned how to treat my clients better, how to pamper them better, because that's what clients want, and 𝐤𝐤𝐤 goes all over that. I learned a lot on how to treat my clippers better and how my clippers can work more efficiently. It's been working pretty amazing, honestly. And I mean, I got it on Thanksgiving in November, and since I got the course until now, my income has increased way more. I'm finally able to buy a car, able to help my parents with so much bills, and just the class has been super great and super beneficial, just from fading to how my social media, how to make my videos better. I started cutting hair at the barbershop. I only started doing haircuts. That's all I was doing. And then like eyebrows and design, simple stuff like that. After watching the whole social media course and seeing what I could add, I started doing full service facials, black mask. I started doing beard trims. I bought a facial steamer, and now I'm able to charge $100 for a full service, and I have at least 2 clients that get every 3 weeks. Only investing $150, you'll be able to see that like in a day come back to your pocket. So it's like honestly super cheap and super beneficial for you. I mean, my haircuts have gone so much better. Even the owners of the barbershop I work at tell me, since from the day I started, I bought the program like 2 weeks after I started, and they said like my haircuts have been way more better. I mean, I'm getting clients. I'm booked mostly all week now, and you know, I only have 4 months, and you know, it's only growth from here. Of course, it's been super beneficial. I mean, just going over the fading techniques and the business part and the motivation part of it, also on how to grow your social media, how to make your videos, and all of that. It goes over all of that, and it's super beneficial because he's only charging $150 and he could be charging way more. Everything that the course has been able to bring me has been like more consistent clients, more consistent money. I'm booked most of the week now. Obviously, I still have slow days, but those slow days are slowly filling up. I've been able to make business easier for my clients. I have a booking app now. I added 6 more services just besides haircuts, and I have a $100 full service. And you know, just in 4 months, at least to me, I feel like I've grown incredibly, you know, because I just graduated and started at a barbershop. You know, people are getting to know my name. And as for my social media, I've only been active on social media for 4 months on my barber account. I started with like 20 followers, and now I have 217. Even though that's not a huge jump like some other social media accounts, but you know, not only do people follow me, but half of those people are actual clients who come and get haircuts by me and use my booking system. So it's been super beneficial, and you know, just thank you, 𝐤𝐤𝐤, for making the course and helping all of us barbers, and also anybody that can invest in this needs to, because it's really good. And for only $150, like I said, you know, you're gonna be able to see that investment super quick.